This video will show you how to change your password on your Verizon Fios router. So to change your Verizon Fios Wi-Fi password is that make sure you're connected to your Fios network, the mobile device that you are using, you're connected to the internet of the Verizon Fios. Next is open a web browser and type this number right here, 192.168.1.1. That is the one that you should open. Next is that log in using your router username and password. These are usually on a sticker on your router, which this one right here. Log in with your router username. I believe it is this one. Then once logged in, go to your wireless setting right here. Locate the wireless setting and then select basic security settings or Wi-Fi settings depending on your model. Find the field labeled Wi-Fi password or pre-shared key. Delete the old password and enter your new one. It should look like this. Make sure it's a strong, at least 8 characters with letters and numbers. Then click apply or save. Your devices may disconnect and need the new password. And that's it. You've changed your Verizon Fios Wi-Fi password.